Children, the next topic what we are going to learn is about internal energy. It is denoted by a symbol U. What is internal energy? Consider a system. Consider the gas present inside. So, how will you calculate the internal energy? First, what is meant by internal energy means the total energy of all the molecules of the system is called internal energy. Otherwise, the internal energy of a system is equal to the energy possessed by all its constituents, namely atoms, ions, and molecules, or sum of their energy, whatever energy possessed by the molecules. For example, translational energy UT, vibrational energy UV. That is, U means internal energy, T translation energy, V vibrational energy. Then UR means rotational energy, UB means bond energy between the molecules, plus UE electronic energy, and UI molecular interactions. The sum of all these energies, that is called internal energy. So, what is meant by internal energy means the total energy of all the molecules of the system. So, what is its importance? The internal energy possessed by a substance differentiates its physical structure. For example, allotropes of carbon. Allotropes means same compound exists in two different forms. For example, graphite. Carbon can exist as graphite and diamond. Carbon can exist as graphite. Already you have learned in 10th standard structure of graphite, structure of diamond. They differ each other. They possess different internal energies. They have different structures, but they both belong to carbon only. Different structures, different internal energies, so they differ from each other. So what are the characteristics of internal energy? First point, internal energy of the system is an extensive property. What is extensive property? Extensive property means it depends on the amount of the substance present in the system. First point, it is an extensive property. Number two, internal energy is a state function. State function means depends only upon the state variables, temperature, pressure, volume, number of moles. They does not depend on the path by which the final state is reached. Number 3. The change in internal energy of a system is expressed as change, del, U. Change in internal energy expressed as UF minus UI. UF means final, UI means initial. Change in internal energy. Fourth point, in a cyclic process, cyclic means from the initial reaches to final, once more the final reaches to initial, a cyclic process. In that case, del U, change in internal energy for cyclic process is equal to 0. Fifth point, if the internal energy of the system in the final state UF is less than internal energy of the system in its initial state. If this is the case, it has a negative value, del U having a negative value. If the internal energy of the system in the final state, if it is greater than internal energy of the system in the initial state, if this is the case, del U having a positive value. These are the characteristics of internal energy: extensive property, state function, change in internal energy given by final minus initial. Change in internal energy for a cyclic process is 0 if final is less than initial, having a negative value, final greater than initial, having a positive value. These are the characteristics of internal energy. Now, next, we are going to learn some small topics, definitions. What is meant by heat? What is meant by heat? Heat is regarded as an energy in transit across the boundary, that is separating the system and the surrounding. It is a path function. Heat is a path function, not state function. The SI unit of heat is joule. Generally, heat quantities are expressed in calories. Calories. What is meant by calorie? Calorie is defined as the quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius in the vicinity of 15 degrees Celsius. The definition given in the book and mark in the book. What is meant by calorie? So, the symbol of heat is Q. Symbol of heat is Q. So, if the heat flows into the system, from the surrounding, it has a positive value. If the heat flows out of the system into the surrounding, it has a negative value. Flows into the system means positive, flows into the surrounding means it has a negative value. This and all for heat. It is given in book page number 192. You can mark in the book. Next, what is work done? Work is defined as force multiplied by the distance. The negative sign indicates work has been done by the system by spending a part of its internal energy. So the work, it is also a path function. It appears only at the boundary of the system. It appears during the change in the state of the system. So in thermodynamics, surroundings is so large when compared to the system. Surroundings is so large. So macroscopic changes to surroundings do not happen. Macroscopic means big changes. Now, unit of work. SI unit is joule, which is defined as work done by a force of 1 Newton through a displacement of 1 meter. That is, joule is equal to Newton meter. We often use kilojoule for large quantities of work. That is, 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. So, if work is done by the system, it has a negative value. If work is done on the system, it has a positive value. Everything given in book page number 192. Internal energy is given in book page number 191. Characteristics of internal energy is very important. That 6 points you have to learn. Before that, the definition you mark it in the book. Plus, what is heat, what is work, everything given in book page number 192. You can mark in the book.